I know, I know. I haven't done a video for many months now. Sorry about that. You see, there's a very, very legit and important reason as to why. So, there's this thing called snow, and I had about this much of it for many, many months. So, here I am now. I checked on my bike a little while ago, and like a couple days. Tires, all that is good. I just gotta clean the chain left. But otherwise, close the door so I don't annoy anybody. Otherwise, all that's left is I have to put a new battery in it because my battery tender over there decided, hey, I'm not going to keep this charged. And so it dies like right away. So I'm going to do the chain, do the battery, and look how dirty it is. Look at that. It needs a wash pretty bad. But after I do that, then I'm going to go for a ride. That'll be fun. Look, cobwebs all over it. Ugh. Terrible. But, yeah, so that's what I'm going to do. Here's the new battery. It's pretty small, isn't it? Wonder if I can make that fit. Hey, look at that. To the other side. Oh, man. Looks to be the right one. Now, if you're looking to take the battery out and you don't know how to do it on this bike, it's not too bad. If you want to take the battery out, all you have to do when you pull back the cover, or the seat, there are a couple bolts right there and you just take them out. They use an Allen head. I don't know what size that is, but it's whatever that size is. So, there you go. You're welcome. This has been Mechanics 101 with EasyMoto. Hopefully that's not it leaking. That's disgusting. I hope that's just like humidity or something build up on the inside. Otherwise, my hands might be burning soon. Really hope it doesn't leak out of there because the battery gets mounted sideways. But I will say that if it works, this, whatever the number is there, I got on Amazon for $20 from a third-party seller, including shipping. So if it leaks, I will not be surprised. Why are you flashing me? Why are you flashing me? Okay, well, got that on, but cheap battery has cheap terminals. Brass on the other one, kind of lead on that one, and where'd that pop off? Here we go. Well, see if it works. It's nice, it's so good to be riding again. I've missed it. It's been so long. And like I said, I'm lazy. I know I could have come up with other videos and I'm sorry for that. But, here we go. First video of the season, first ride of the season. And, with a $20 battery that seems to be working. Seems to work pretty well. I don't know if it's just due to its size, but normally that battery would be $80 at AutoZone and $120 on Amazon. So far, it seems to be working pretty well, and I think I'm going to continue enjoying my ride. I guess the moral of the story is don't be afraid of a $20 battery. Although, who knows, it might still explode on me. Anyways, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.